Yeah, hi. My name is Duncan, Johnston-Watt. I'm the founder and CEO with Cloudsoft. Cloudsoft is the leading open source application management platform. So basically, our focus is on, cloud is great. There's a huge amount of it out there. I mean, last count, there were something like 40 cloud service providers, and there are the APIs and so forth. But what we see as the real value add in our world is really helping to blueprint applications, understand their structure, model them, and then deploy and manage those models at runtime. So, it's not just deploying an application or service, it's looking after it throughout its whole lifetime. So what you've seen is, cloud management, server management, and now application management really rising to the fore. So there's quite a few companies actually in the deployment business. We recognize that. In fact, we partner with a number of them. So for example, at Citi, we're working with Chef. So Chef are providing server configuration, and Citi have chosen us to provide the overall application orchestration. One of the differentials is the fact that we're closed loop. So everything we do is aimed at doing a closed loop or autonomic management of applications. So when you design a blueprint, you're capturing not just the structure of an application, and we do that, by the way, in a very standard-based way, based on the Oasis Camp specification. We're also attaching policies to that specification. So you're saying, it's not just the shape now, once and for all, it's how is that shape going to evolve as things change in the environment, as demand goes up or demand moves to other parts of the world and so forth. So, big trend we're seeing is enterprises, I would say, deconstructing cloud. They're not just prepared to be spoon-fed cloud the way maybe a big SI wants to define it. They're actually saying, no, let's break it apart and let's look for best-of-breed componentry. And we've seen that happen in a number of places. So I mentioned Citi. I mean, that's exactly what they're doing. They're looking at everything from compute, storage, networking, configuration, and application management, and saying we want to bring together the best-of-breed partners in each of those spaces. So big deal for us, and one of the reasons that we're big supporters of Structure is, it is the go-to event for cloud. It's where you get a lot of the CXOs, and it's where we chose to announce Clocker. So Clocker is a brand new project for us. It's built on the Apache Brooklyn project, which we curate. And it's really designed to help you spin up a Docker cloud on any cloud anywhere. And so we're leveraging our existing application management expertise, but now we're turning to the question of actually managing Docker at large. And so that gives you the ability to take any blueprint we've created to date and deploy it and run it in a Docker cloud. So the Clocker announcement follows hard on the heels of the announcement in May that we had actually made it into the Apache Software Foundation, albeit as an incubator project at this stage, but that's the natural first step. That was very exciting for us, and what it means is it makes it much easier for companies to engage with us, knowing that the open source software that they're dealing with is not just open source and open standards based, but now is secure and is in a safe harbor at the Apache Software Foundation.